The next step is a couple new commands. We're going to do what's called an offset. So right now, if I would laser cut this out, the laser cutter again will cut every single individual line, and I wouldn't have a tower side, I would just have a bunch of triangles. So we're going to use the offset command to help us kind of add thickness to our lines. The first thing we're going to do is we have to change our layers. Now on a desktop computer, down the bottom bar, they'll have a black square like this. For layers, if you double click on that, it'll pop up a layer menu and you'll be able to choose a new layer. On my laptop, all I have to do is click on a new layer off the side and I'm already on a new layer. From there, we're going to type in the command offset, O-F-F-S-E-T, and up in the menu bar, we need to change the distance. So we're going to change it to 0.125 and hit the enter key. And you'll see an option up there for both sides. You also want to select both sides. So that way when I click on a line, you'll see that my mouse cursor kind of bisects that selected line, and when I click my mouse cursor a second time, now I have two parallel lines to my original line. And that's what we're going to continue to do around the whole drawing. We're going to go ahead and offset every single line that we already have drawn there. And you'll just work your way through until you get all those done. Okay, now I have all those lines done. Next thing is we want to get rid of our actual original lines. We don't need them anymore, and again, if we leave them on there for a laser cutter, it's going to cut through them. So our next new command is called select layer or cell layer. So S-E-L-L-A-Y-E-R, right there it is, cell layer. When we click on that, it's going to allow us to choose one of the layers. So I'm going to choose the default, which is the black colored layer, and hit the select. And that's going to select all those lines on the original layer. And I can now just hit delete on my keyboard and they will go away. That is all set up for our next step, where we are going to trim and then add some fillets to all these pieces.